most beautiful 14 museums, or the most beautiful museums in the whole world. You know, all the museums are talking about the past. Dubai Future Museum is different. Objects and photographs on display inside talking about Dubai Future during the next 100 years. Entrance $55 per person. Means booking online. Look on the left side, that high building with the golden glass and the golden top. That's Jevora Hotel, world record. The tallest hotel tower in the world, 356 meters. They use 20,000 square meters of pure gold to decorate the interiors of the hotel on the left side. Even the main entrance and the reception made of solid gold. Look on the left side down at the main entrance, Jevora Hotel. See the whole entrance made of gold, 18K. The left side, downtown at Burj Khalifa, mix of apartments, offices and five-star hotels, the most prestigious square kilometer on the planet. See on the left side, Burj Khalifa, tallest tower in the world, 828 meters, 162 floors. Inside Burj Khalifa, five-star hotel, apartments and offices. Inside it also 57 elevators, among them the fastest elevator in the world, reach the tower top in 60 seconds. Now it's a highway. It's crazy to stop here. So for your safety, we stop at the entrance of Burj Khalifa to take photos on our way back. Don't worry, we're going to stop there. Now it's very risky to stop here, very dangerous.